Yeah, this for you, Musa. Yeah, we're gonna open it.
Musa, sit down, baby. Yeah, sit down, Mama. Then we can get it all out. Okay. So this is toolkit. Oh, I think you can put that on the side. So we've got a screwdriver. We've got a hammer. Mrs. favourite. We have got a spanner. Oh, and we've got some blocks that he can put these into. And some screws. You're going to do banging? You're going to do hammer? Okay, Musa. You can do it like this, so you can put this, turn it over. Here, Musa, do hammer. Go. Do hammer here. Here.
Oh, that's quite cool.
Yeah, so good. Oh, wow. Musa's a very good builder.
This one builder.
You're a builder, yeah.
This one's a nail, right? This one's a screw.
Screwdriver? You want to do the screw? Go on then, put this one in. Or maybe that's not. I think that goes into here. Oh, Melissa and Doug, it's the same as the other one that your mum gave.
So should we try this one now? Let's try this one. Go on.
Wow!
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that's the screwdriver. So that one goes in there.
Yeah, I think it goes into here. Yeah. Musa, do it here.
Do bang it in this area.
I think he likes to bang it in.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe give him something against the bang
I'm
in.
going to bang it.
Here you go.
What? Hammer.
Here's the hammer.
Where's the hammer?
Oh, wrong way. Do it this way.
Musa. There, that's it.
Yeah, like
That
that.
way, yeah. Go and hammer that in. Wow, Musa, do good job.
What else have we got then? So we've got little screws here, which is quite cool.
Yeah.
This one.
I think that will go into.
Yeah.
Yeah, that turns it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, Musa.
I'm going to
Put that there.
hammer.
And then that's supposed
Hammer.
to be used like that.
Oh, I'm far away.
Oh dear.
I'm far away.
Yeah.
I guess Musa's quite young, so he thinks you have to
What a
hammer in the
He
screws.
loves hammering this one.
Yeah.
And then they've got, this is a spanner that fits perfectly so you can turn it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
We've got a little spanner here as well.
Okay, let's turn it around. We've got a little tool table. So this has managed to. Wooden pieces, 24 pieces.
Yeah,
Musa, do the other way round, like
Do
that
it this way, yeah? And do it slowly, Mama.
What's Mama?
So I call him sometimes. I have lots of names for him.
The farm.
Alright. So, Musa's going to have a lot of fun with this.
And so will the neighbours.
Yes, they will. Alright. See you later.
This one.